Alright, quick heads up. Get ready for a wild ride. You're about to watch the most entertaining 3 minutes on YouTube today, so buckle up and stay with me till the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. First up, let's dive right into some of the most viral, jaw-dropping, and oddly satisfying clips lighting up the internet right now. Think of this as your ticket to a roller coaster of epic fails, hilarious pet moments, and those wait, what just happened? Life hacks that make you do a double take. Clip 1. Ever seen a dog attempt yoga? No lie. This pup's downward dog could put my best stretch to shame. I mean, look at that balance. But don't blink, because right after, there's a cat who's figured out how to open a fridge and help itself to a midnight snack. Pet owners, you've been warned. Now check this out. A super satisfying paint mixing video that'll make you wish you could reach through the screen and swirl the colors yourself. There's something about watching colors blend that just hits different, right? But hang on, because up next is a skateboard trick that defies gravity. Seriously, the board flips, the rider spins, and somehow everyone lands on their feet. How is that even possible? Every couple of minutes, I'm going to drop a little teaser. So here's one. Coming up, you're about to see a life hack involving a banana and a coat hanger. Yep, you heard me. Curious? You should be. But before that, here's another gem. A compilation of the most adorable baby animals on the planet. I swear, there's a duckling in here that could melt even the coldest heart. And don't even get me started on the puppy pile at the end. Absolute overload of cuteness. All right, back to that banana hack. Picture this. You need a phone stand. But there's nothing around except breakfast. Watch as this genius turns a banana and a coat hanger into the perfect DIY phone holder. I'm honestly impressed and a little hungry. Moments like these make the internet the best place to hang out. Endless laughs, satisfying wins, and ideas you never knew you needed. Just when you think it can't get any better, it always does. That was epic. But the next part is even better, so don't go anywhere. Let's roll right into it.